crafters, this is Jerry with Crafty Stash, and this is number 12 of, nope, sorry, 11 of 25 Days of Christmas. And I decided to do a pinwheel card. And they are great ways to get rid of little tiny itsy bitsy pieces. These are 1.5 square, and you need 8 of them to do a pinwheel. So let me show you how I did it. I'll show you the Craft Factory Creations kit that this all comes from. I might have shown this before, I'm not even sure, but I had gotten this kit for my granddaughter to do cards, and we did, I don't know, 20 cards or something out of these kits, and they were really wonderful. Lots of embellishments, lots of little stickers and things like that, tags, and the paper. And also came with 3 dies, which I haven't used yet, but it was wonderful for $14, I think, for the whole set, and there was a lot more that came with it. I just happened to use it. Cute paper, and thin. It's not real thick it's not cardstock at all. It's thick paper is what it is, and real cute. Anyway, so Craft Factory Creations. So I decided to take one. I'm going to do a 5.5 by 5.5 card, and that's because I didn't have any cut already 6 by 6. You could do 6 by 6 because that's what these are. And so I took one and covered the base with it. Now to do the pinwheel. So what I did for this is, and I put lines on it so you're able to see what I'm doing. I folded diagonally one of the 3 by 3. You need 2 3 by 3 inch pieces of cardstock, and then this one I folded in 1/4, and I drew the lines there just to show you, but these won't be showing, so it doesn't matter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the square and put it over the diagonal, just because it's easier to see this way, and I'm going to match up the lines as best I can, and exact is good. Close is close enough. So then I'm just going to, oops, need to open it. You can always tell when you're running out of glue that you've been doing a lot of projects. So just put a little bit of glue there in the center, and it'll hold it down. And glue's great because then you can manipulate. As always, there's always not an exact science to this, so doing the best that we can. There we go. Okay, so you want to glue that down, and then you will take these 1.5 inch squares, and you're going to use, I'm using coordinating colors. You can use all the same colors. You can use however you wish to do it. And again, like I said, this bottom piece won't be shown, so it doesn't matter what color that is. And then what I did is just go from the center out to the points, and just put some glue on there. And you can always, you know, come back and glue some more, but this is just to keep things in place. So there you go with that. Decide which one you want to start with first, and I think I'll do the burgundy. And you're going to pull these up to the corners. Okay, if you get the corner up here good, this center will come out fine. And what you want to do with the first one is pull it up, because you're going to put the last one underneath. Okay, so put your next coordinating color in, and just make sure again you're bringing that up to your corner, and every other works well. And So like I said, this is a great way really to get rid of, you know, we're always stuck with 1.5 inch, and this could be any size. You could make these 1x1s. We always have 1-inch strips laying around or 2-inch strips laying around. And you can do this, of course, the bigger the base would have to be, and you'll have to figure that one out because I don't know how that would change this base 3x3 if you change the numbers on what I have, but you can figure that out easy enough. Okay, almost to the last one, and as you'll see, you need to slip this one in behind. So make sure that you get your corner up. As long as you got your corner, your center will be fine. And you may need to pull that up a little bit so you can get this in and then put it down. There you go. There's your pinwheel. So what I'm going to do with this, these are still a little wet, so I'll use this one. And what I'm going to do is just sit this kind of like that. And I love it because it looks like either a star or a snowflake. So I'm going to, actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some double-sided tape. That glue, is, as much as I like, it tends to warp thin paper, and since this is thin paper, I don't want to do that. So just put your tape in, and I had gotten this tape from AliExpress. Can't say that I like the double-sided tape that you get from AliExpress. You can't tell if you get 1 roll, you get 10 rolls. What do you get? I usually get all my double-sided tape from Amazon. I know what I'm getting. Okay, and then in my case, I want to show that Merry Christmas, so I'm going to kind of pull this off of the edge. There you go. And there's your card. Excuse me. Merry Christmas, Pinwheel. I hope you have a great day. Watch for tomorrow. We have another video coming. Take care. Bye-bye.